This is Nadesan's maths teacher, Dagenham Park Church of England School. Today we are looking for factorising part 3. So we are to factorising x squared plus 11x plus 24. We'll see how we can factorising these type of questions. So when we're factorising these type of questions, we are looking for the end of the sign, we got the plus. That means we're looking for the adding factors. So multiply the first and the last, and thus comes to 24x squared, and we got plus 24x squared. Now we're looking for what kind of factors can make 24x squared. We can make it for the factors for the 24x squared, x times 24x, because x times 24x we can make it 24x squared, and also you can make it 2x times 12x, so 2 times 12 also you can make it 24, and also you can make it 3x and 8x, so 3 times 8 also you can make it 24, and 4 times 6 also you can make it 24. I just want to repeat again one more time. The 24 you can make it 1 times 24 can make it 24. 2x times 12x you make it 24x squared. 3x times 8x also you can make it 24x squared. 4x times 6x also you can make it 24x squared. Now we are looking any of the factors we can make it. That's it. But we can say other way around as well. Now which are the two factors that we needed? And that's the point. What we are looking the middle one. So we need plus 11. So the plus 11, why we need plus 11? Because we got the plus 11x here. And we are looking for the adding. Why are we looking at adding? Because of the plus for the end we got. So now we think one by one. X plus 24. Can we make 11? No, we don't want this one. 2 plus 12. Can you make 11? No, really, we don't want this one. 4 plus 6. Can you make 11? No, we don't want this one. 3 plus 8. We can make 11, of course. What is the sign here? Plus, then both plus here. So plus 3 plus 8, you can make it plus 11x. So now, we can put it, instead of the plus 11x, we put plus 3x, then plus 8x, then plus 24. So the plus 11x, we can replace plus 3x and plus 8x. Now, we can take the x common, and thus comes to x plus 3. These two plus 8 is the common, and thus comes x plus 3. Make sure, double check your answer. X times x, x squared, plus x times 3 is 3 plus 3x, plus 8 times x plus 8x, plus 8 times plus 3 plus 24. It all comes to the expand and simplify. You can double check as well. Now you can see x plus 3 is the common, and then you got x plus 8. That's it. And you should know how to double check your answer. You can expand it. X squared plus 3x plus 8x is come to plus 11x, and then plus 8 times 3 is 24. Now I just want to explain to you one more question. Y squared minus 7y plus 6. So multiply first and the last. This comes to plus 6y squared. What are the factors you can make it plus? Because you have to make sure we need minus 7y. So what are the factors we can make it? The factors for the 6y and 6y, and also 2y and 3y. But what kind of two factors you can make it 7? 2 plus 3 you can't make it. We don't want this one. But y and 6y you can make it 7. So the first questions are done it. We had to put it here and get the factorizing. But have a look. This method, factors for the y squared is y and y. Factors for the 6 we got 1 and 6 and 2 and 3. Now you're looking what two numbers you can make it 7 because we got a plus for the end. So 3 plus 2 you can't make it 7, so we don't want this. 6 plus 1 you can make it 7. What 7 minus, then both minus and close the bracket. So the answers come to y minus 1 and then y minus 6. So I done it for the two methods. The first questions and the second questions, similar technique we are using for, but method has difference. Now we're looking, if you got a minus for the end, we'll see what will happen now. Let's say the third one now. P squared minus 3p minus 10. We got a minus for the end, that means different factors. Make to the 3. So what factors for the p square? You can say p and p. What are the factors for the 10? 1 times 10 and then 2 times 5. Anything else? Not really. So what two numbers are you make it different 3? 10 and 1 you can't make it different 3, so we don't want it. 5 and 2 you make it different 3. What are the sign here? Minus, so bigger minus, smallest number plus and close the bracket. So answers come to p plus 2 and then p minus 5. Let's say the next one. X squared plus 4x minus 5. Factors for the x squared, x times x. Factors for the 5, 1 times 5. Are you looking adding factors or different factors? Different factors, because the minus will be in the end. 5 and 1, can you make a different 4? Yes, of course. What are the sign here? Plus, bigger plus, smaller minus, and close the bracket. Answer is x minus 1 and then x plus 5. See how they're easier. So there's 4 questions. Try these questions now. Now you check your answers. When you're factorizing, you got x plus 1 and x plus 4. When you're factorizing, y minus 6 and y minus 2. When you're factorizing, x minus 3 and x plus 2. When you're factorizing, x plus 3 and then x minus 2. You should know how to double check your answer when you expand it and check your answers as well. Thanks for watching Nadesan's TV.